Welcome back after a long time since having a video to Math with Miss Swartz. Today we are going to use a video to talk about triangle angle sum because we've really already done this, so I figured this would just be a quick, easy review by watching a video so you can be reminded of what we do when we're working with triangles and we're trying to find a missing angle within a triangle. So, to get us started, just our quick definition here, you can write this down. Interior angle measures of a triangle. The sum of the interior angle measures of a triangle is 180. So if you want to write this at the bottom of your foldable on the back side, you can write this little bit right here, this sentence, and then you can write this example here, x plus y plus z would equal 180. So we've actually already done this. We did this in our equations unit where we had triangles and we were trying to find missing angles or even just x values within an angle by using this idea. So it should be pretty simple. So we just have like 5 examples today, and then you'll be on your way. So the first one here, this red one, we have 32x 48. Okay, so yes, I do want you to set up the equation. So I'm going to say x plus 32 plus 48 equals 180. I realize you may be able to do some mental math in your head, but as the problems get a little tougher, like on B, we need to make sure that we write it all out so we have a good idea of what's going on. So I'm going to add my like terms. 48 plus 32 is going to be 80. And then we're going to get x alone, so I'm going to subtract 80. So x is equal to 100. If I wanted to check that, I could just make sure 32, 48 plus 100 equals 180. Like I said, pretty simple. Good review though. Alright, so same thing with b, except now we have a little bit more variable action going on. So we're going to say x plus 28 plus x plus 90, because this little box means that we have a 90-degree angle, it's a right triangle, equals 180. And you can do these examples on the back of your foldable too. That's why I said leave some room for a few examples. Alright, for this one I need to combine some like terms. I have x plus x, which gives me 2x. And then I have 28 plus 90. That's going to give me 118. That equals 180. Alright, now I have a two-step equation. I always want to work with my subtraction first. So I have 2x equals 62. Final step would be to divide, and x would equal 31. So again, you could check this by saying 31 plus 28 plus 31 plus 90 should be 180. Alright, here's 2 more examples. We have x, 81, and 25. So we'd have x plus 81 plus 25 equals 180. Combine your like terms. So I have 106 equals 180. Subtract 106 to work to get x alone. So x equals 74. Okay, I'm going to make sure you have a couple to try. Perfect. So for this one, again, same thing. We have some x values. We have x plus x minus 35 plus 43. That's all going to equal 180. So I'm going to combine my x values. I get 2x. Now I have to be careful. This is going to be a negative 35 plus 43. So if I have a negative plus a positive, it's actually different signs, so I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to be left with a positive 8, and that will be equal to 180. Then I'll subtract 8. So I have 2x equals 172. Divide by 2, and x equals 86, I believe. Okay. The last two I want you to try. I would like these ones to be on your foldable. Okay. They have some decimals in this case, but nothing changes. They both add up to 180. So I want you to try these two. Make sure these two are on your foldable. I know I didn't state it, but if you need to write some elsewhere, you could always use just a notebook. But beyond that, once you get that done, just have somebody check your work, make sure you are understanding this correctly, and then we will get your homework. Have a wonderful day.